Through the mist, I see your trace, a fragile glow in a hollow space. The clock rewinds, the hours bend, a story lost with no end. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, an endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out, but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights, but it slips away. Fractured skies, they call my name, a fleeting hope in a cold refrain. The edges blur, the colors bleed, a ghost of you is all I need. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, an endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out, but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights, but it slips away. Fractured skies, they call my name, a fleeting hope in a cold refrain. The edges blur, the colors bleed, a ghost of you is all I need. Chains of time, they hold me tight, a fleeting spark in eternal night. Was it real or just a game, lost in echoes that call my name? Fading, fading, I can't break free, a whispered past still haunting me. Where are you now in this endless maze? Caught in the fade, through endless days. I'm caught in the fade, an endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out, but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights, but it slips away.
Days are so long, seems everything's wrong. For now I'm alone and blue. I still love you, dear. I wish you were here. Come back and forgive, please do. The days are so long, seems everything's wrong. For now I'm alone and blue. I still love you, dear. I wish you were here, dear. Come back and forgive, please do. Although you are gone, still love lingers on. I just can't believe it's true. Awake or sleep, my thoughts seem to creep right back to the day spent with you. everything's wrong, for I'm all alone and blue. Oh mother of mine, for you how I pine. The nighttime brings memories of you. Oh how I miss you tonight, miss you while the lights are low. Oh how I need you tonight, more than you'll ever know. I may believe for a while, I need you with a smile, but my heart won't stop aching. Please keep it from breaking. Oh pal, how I miss you tonight. Oh, how I miss you tonight. Oh, you while the lights are low. Oh, how I need you tonight. Leaving you there all alone, for there isn't another like mother. Old pal, I miss you tonight.
Once more with me, you look so sweet. Dear, can't you see how I feel? I love you still, I always will. You have the same old appeal. Out of my lungs, still in my heart. You're always near me, it seems. Don't let you cry, hide what's inside. Don't close the door on your dreams. So you belong to somebody else. Tonight you belong to me. So we're apart, you're part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Down by the stream, how sweet it will seem. Once more to dream in the moonlight. So you belong to somebody else. Tonight you belong to me. So we're apart, you're part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Down by the stream, how sweet it will seem. Once more to dream in the moonlight. So you belong to somebody else. Tonight you belong to me. So we're apart, you're part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. So with the dawn, I know you'll be gone. Tonight you belong to me. Once more we meet, you look so sweet. Dear, can't you see how I feel? I love you still, I always will. You have the same old appeal. Out of my arms, still in my heart. You're always near me, it seems. Don't let your pride hide what's inside. Don't close the door on your dreams. Though you belong to somebody else, tonight you belong to me. Though we're apart, you're a part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Though you belong to somebody else, tonight you belong to me. Though we're apart, you're a part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Though you belong to somebody else, tonight you belong to me. Though we're apart, you're a part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Though you belong to somebody else, tonight you belong to me. Though we're apart, you're a part of my heart. Tonight you belong to me. Though with the dawn, I know you'll be gone. Tonight you belong to me.
I walk the roads where kings once stood, golden echoes carved in wood. The banners fill the skies were mine, a fleeting rain, a fragile line. The bells would ring, the crowds would cheer, our world alive so crystal clear. But shadows cracked, the throne grew cold, a tale of dust and stories old. Oh, we wore crowns of dust and flame, built empires in a fleeting game. The winds would howl, the walls would break, my kingdom lost for heaven's sake. Rise and fall, the anthem plays, crowns of dust in endless days. The river sang, the oceans roared, a blade of light, a silver sword. I held the stars, I shaped the dawn, but now the light is faintly drawn. The bells would ring, the crowds would cheer, our world alive so crystal clear. The shadows crept, the throne grew cold, a tale of dust and stories old. Oh, we wore crowns of dust and flame, built empires in a fleeting game. The winds would howl, the walls would break, my kingdom lost for heaven's sake. Rise and fall, the anthem plays, crowns of dust in endless days. The choirs fade, the gates unwind, a hollow echo left behind. I see the ruins, feel the cost, a fleeting dream forever lost. Oh, crowns of dust, they softly fall, through silent fields I hear the call. The anthems fade, the fires dim, a whispered hymn, a requiem. Oh, we wore crowns of dust and flame, built empires in a fleeting game. The winds would howl, the walls would break, my kingdom lost for heaven's sake. Rise and fall, the anthem plays, crowns of dust in endless days. Rise and fall, the anthem plays, crowns of dust and endless days. The rivers sang, the oceans roared, a blade of light, a silver sword. I held the stars, I shaped the dawn, but now the light is faintly drawn. The bells would ring, the crowds would cheer, a world alive so crystal clear. But shadows crept, the throne grew cold, a tale of dust and stories old. Rise and fall, the anthem plays, crowns of dust in endless. shadows crept, the throne grew cold. A tale of dust, a story's old. Only more crowns of dust and flame, build empires in a fleeting game. The winds would howl, the walls would break, a kingdom lost for heaven's sake. Rise and fall, the anthem plays. Rounds of dust in endless days. The river sang, the oceans roared, a blade of light, a silver sword. I held the stars, I shaped the dawn, but now the light is faintly drawn. The bells would ring, the crowds would cheer, a world alive so crystal clear. The shadows crept, the throne grew cold, a tale of dust, a story's old. Only more clouds of dust and flame, build empires in a fleeting game. The winds would howl, the walls would break, a kingdom lost for heaven's sake. Rise and fall, the anthem plays. Crowns of dust in endless days. Crowns of dust in endless days. Endless days. Endless days. The gates unwind, a hollow echo left behind. I see the ruins, feel the cost, a fleeting dream forever lost. Oh, crowns of dust, they softly fall. Through silent fields I hear the call. The anthems fade, the fires dim, a whispered hymn, a requiem. And fall, the anthem plays. Crowns of dust in endless days. Crowns of dust in endless days. Endless days. Oh, we wore crowns of dust and flame. Through silent fields I hear the call. The anthems fade, the fires dim.
There across the room, a neon haze, a fleeting bloom. You catch my eye, then turn away. A game we play night into day. We're tangled up, we're falling fast, a spark that burns from a broken past. I can't let go, you won't stay near. Two hearts collide, then disappear. So pull me under, don't let me breathe. We're chasing shadows we can't believe. Closer than ever, yet miles apart. You're in my veins, you're in my heart. Pull me under, don't set me free. We're lost in this, just you and me. The city hums, it calls our names. Through empty streets we fan the flames. Your voice still from a broken past. I can't let go, you won't stay near. Two hearts collide, then disappear. So pull me under, don't let me breathe. We're chasing shadows we can't believe. Closer than ever, yet miles apart. You're in my veins, you're in my heart. Pull me under, don't set me free. We're lost in this, just you and me. We run in circles, we break the rules, dancing on edges, we're reckless fools. The night's our witness, the stars our guide. No looking back, we'll take the ride. Pull me under, one last time. A fleeting rush, a perfect cry. Closer than ever, we'll never cease. You're in my soul, you're part of me. Through the mist, I see your trace, a fragile glow in a hollow space. The clock rewinds, the hours bend, a story lost with no end. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, a endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out, but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights, but it slips away. Fractured skies, they call my name, a fleeting hope in a cold refrain. The edges blur, the colors bleed, a ghost of you is all I need. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, a endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out, but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights, but it slips away. a trace, a fragile glow in a hollow space. The clock rewinds, the hours bend, a story lost with no end. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, an endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights but it slips away. Fractured skies, they call my name, a fleeting hope in a cold refrain. The edges blur, the colors bleed, a ghost of you is all I need. The walls close in, the echoes hum, a distant beat, a fading drum. Am I here or just a shade, bound to shadows that never fade? I'm caught in the fade, an endless loop, a silent scream from a broken truth. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights but it slips away. Fractured skies, they call my name. Fractured skies, they call my name. Fractured skies, they call my name, a fleeting hope in a cold refrain. Where did you run when the light turned dim? I'm reaching out but I'm sinking in. Fading, fading through the gray. A heart still fights but it slips away. Chains of time, they hold me tight, a fleeting spark in a cold refrain. Was it real or just a game? Lost in echoes that call my name. Fading, fading, I can't break free. A whispered past still haunting me. Where are you now in this endless maze? Caught in a fade through endless days. Oh, oh,
Let me make the songs for the people, songs for the old and young, songs to stir like a battle cry wherever they are sung. Not for the clashing of sabers, for carnage nor for strife, but songs to thrill the hearts of men with more abundant life. Let me make the songs for the weary in life's fever and fret, till hearts shall relax their tension, careworn brows forget. Let me sing for little children before their footsteps stray, sweet anthems of love and duty to float o'er life's highway. I would sing for the poor and aged when shadows dim their sight, of the bright and restful mansions where there shall be no night. Our world so worn and weary Let me make the songs for the weary, amid life's fever and fret, till hearts shall relax their tension and careworn brows forget. Let me sing for little children before their footsteps stray, sweet anthems of love and duty to float on life's highway. I would sing for the poor when shadows dim their sight, of the bright and restful mansions where there shall be no night. Our world so worn and weary needs music pure and strong to hush the jangle and discords of sorrow, pain and wrong. Music to soothe all its sorrow, till war and crime shall cease, and the hearts of men grow tender. Girdle the world with peace. So worn and weary needs music pure and strong to hush the jangle and discords of sorrow, pain and wrong. Music to soothe all its sorrow, till war and crime shall cease, and the hearts of men grow tender. Girdle the world with peace. She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless climes and starry skies, and all that's best of dark and bright meet in her aspect and her eyes, thus mellow to that tender light which heaven to gaudy day denies. One shade more, the nameless grace, which weighs in every raven trace, or softly lightens o'er her face, or thoughts serenely sweet express how pure, how dear that dwelling place. That cheek and o'er that brow, so soft, so calm yet eloquent, the smiles that win, the tints that glow, but tell of days in goodness spent. A mind at peace with all below, a mind at peace with all below, a heart whose love is innocent. One shade more, one ray the less, had half impaired the nameless grace, which weighs in every raven trace, or softly lightens o'er her face, with thoughts serenely sweet express how pure, how dear that dwelling place. One shade the more, one ray the less, had half impaired the nameless grace, which weighs in every raven trace, or softly lightens o'er her face, where thoughts serenely sweet express how pure, how dear the dwelling place.
softly play. I can feel your heartbeat in a distant way. Every glance we shared, like a spark in the dark, whispers in the silence, leaving just a mark. Fading memories in the neon glow, echoes of our love from the places we used to go. Time slips away like a fleeting dream, caught in the moment, lost in the stream. With every step I take, I can hear your name. Every breath I hold fuels the hidden flame. Underneath the stars, where our secrets lie, searching for the words in the night sky. Fading memories in the neon glow, echoes of our love from the places we used to go. Time slips away like a fleeting dream, caught in the moment, lost in the stream. Will we meet again in a different time, in another life? Would you still be mine? Moments intertwined in a cosmic dance, lost in this feeling we never had the chance. Fading memories in the neon glow, echoes of our love from the places we used to go. Time slips away like a fleeting dream, caught in the moment, lost in the stream. So I hold on tight to the moments we made in the faded light. Our love won't fade, though the years may pass and the world may change. In my heart, your memory will always remain. In the neon glow, echoes of our love from the places we used to go. Time slips away like a fleeting dream, caught in the moment, lost in the stream. We roam the streets, chasing the echoes, where the heartbeat meets with every shadow. A story unfolds in the city's pulse of fate beholds. Hold me close in these neon dreams, lost in the rhythm, nothing's as it seems. Through the darkness we'll find our way. In this moment we'll never sway. Call my name when the night feels long. In the silence we'll write our song. In the twilight our souls will rise. Together we'll dance beneath the skies. Cruising through lights, the world's alive. With your smile, I know we'll thrive. Every turn a spark, igniting the night. In your presence, everything feels right. Hold me close in these neon dreams, lost in the rhythm, nothing's as it seems. Through the darkness, we'll find our way. In this moment, we'll never sway. Call my name when the night feels long. In the silence, we'll write our song. In the twilight, our souls will rise. Together we'll dance beneath the skies. Cruising through lights, the world's alive. With your smile, I know we'll thrive. Every turn a spark, igniting the night. In your presence, everything feels right. Hold me close in these neon dreams, lost in the rhythm, nothing's as it seems. Through the darkness we'll find our way.
this moment will never sway. Call my name when the night feels long. In the silence we'll write our song. In the twilight our souls will rise. Together we'll dance beneath the skies. Our hearts entwined in this fantasy. Our spirits align. As the stars fade we'll chase the dawn. With every heartbeat we'll carry on. Finally, when the night feels long. Neon dreams tonight. Everything feels right. As the darkness falls, we find our place. In the quiet streets, there's a hidden grace. Adrenaline rising, the moment is near. With every heartbeat, I feel you here. Take my hand in the shadows tonight. Lost in the music, everything feels right. Follow the stars where the secrets hide. In this moment, we'll take a ride. Call my name as the silence falls. In the stillness, hear our hearts' calls. In the dusk, our spirits take flight. Together we'll chase the fading light. Driving fast where the city glows. With your laughter, my excitement flows. Every twist and turn, a chance to feel. In your eyes, the world is real. Take my hand in the shadows tonight. Lost in the music, everything feels right. Follow the stars where the secrets hide. In this moment, we'll take a ride. Call my name as the silence falls. In the stillness, hear our hearts' calls. In the dusk, our spirits take flight. Together we'll chase the fading light. Through the twilight, we'll find our way. In this dream, we'll never stray. As the night fades, our hearts align. With every moment, you'll be mine. Final, take my hand in the shadows tonight. Lost in the music, everything feels right. Follow the stars where the secrets hide. In this moment, we'll take a ride. Call my name as the silence falls. In the stillness, hear our hearts' calls. In the dusk, our spirits take flight. Together we'll chase the fading light. Shadows in night, holding you tight. Ooh, shadows in the night, holding you tight. In the city lights, shadows dance. Under neon skies, we take our chance. Heartbeats racing, the night is young. With every whisper, a new song. Call me in the midnight echoes, lost in the rhythm where the dawn flows. Feel the pulse of the night alive. In this moment we will thrive. Call me in the midnight echoes, chasing dreams where the stars the winding streets. With the engines roar, our hearts repeat. Every turn, a thrill divine. In the shadows, your hand in mine. Call me in the midnight echoes, lost in the rhythm when the dawn falls. Feel the pulse of